Get ready for chess brilliance. Like the video and subscribe to stay updated. This is a book move. The opening is called Queen's Pawn Game.
This is a book move. The opening is called Queen's Pawn Game.
This is a book move. The opening is called Queen's Gambit.
This is a book move. The opening is called Queen's Gambit declined.
Knight to f3 is the best move.
Knight to f6 is the best move.
This is a book move. The opening is called Queen's Gambit declined, moderation.
Pawn to c6 is excellent. This is a book move. The opening is called Queen's Gambit declined.
Pawn to e3 is best.
Queen to f5 is good. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king. Bishop to e7 is best. This develops a bishop.
Bishop captures on f6 is best. This is a trade.
Pawn captures on f6 is best.
Pawn captures on d5 is excellent. This is a trade. Pawn to a3 is best.
Pawn captures on d5 is best. This is a trade.
Pawn to a3 is excellent. Rook to c1 is best. This develops a rook. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
Queen to d8 is the best move.
Knight to f3 is excellent. This develops a knight. Rook to c1 is best. This develops a rook.
Bishop to d7 is best. This develops a bishop.
Bishop to d3 is the best move.
Bishop to e7 is excellent. This defends a pawn on f6. This develops a bishop. Knight to e7 is best.
Kingside castle is best.
Pawn to f5 is the best move.
Knight to d2 is good. Pawn to e4 is best. This offers a trade.
Queen to c7 is the best move.
Knight to b3 is excellent. This attacks the queen. Pawn to b4 is best. This attacks the queen.
Queen to b6 is good. This defends a pawn on b7. Queen to c7 is best. This defends a pawn on b7.
Knight to c5 is the best move.
Pawn to a6 is excellent. Knight to b8 is best.
Rook to c1 is the best move.
Knight to ba.
Queen to d2 is excellent. This defends a knight on c3. Rook to c1 is best. This defends a knight on c3. This develops a rook.
Queen to a7 is excellent. Kingside castle is best.
Rook from filer to c1 is excellent. This develops a rook. Knight to d3 is best.
Pawn to b6 is best. This attacks the knight.
Knight captures on d7 is excellent. This is a trade. This captures a higher value piece. Knight to d3 is best.
Queen captures on d7.
Rook to c2.
Kingside castle is excellent. Pawn to b5 is best.
Rook from file f to c1 is best.
Bishop to d6 is good. Pawn to b5 is best.
Bishop to d3 is the best move.
Pawn to b5 is good. Rook captures on c2 is best. This is a trade.
Knight to b2.
Pawn to a5 is inaccuracy. The opponent can play bx pawn to a5. Rook captures on c2 is best. This is a trade.
Knight to d3.
Pawn captures on b4 is the best move.
Queen captures on c2 is excellent. Rook captures on c2 is best. This defends a queen on d2.
Pawn captures on b4 is good. This is a trade. This attacks the pawn. Queen to a7 is best. This defends a pawn on a5.
Pawn captures on b4 is best. This is a trade.
Queen to b7.
Knight to c5 is the best move.
Rook to d8 is the best move.
Knight to c5.
Rook to c8.
Rook to a1 is good. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns. Rook to b1 is best. This defends a pawn on b4.
Knight to c6 is the best move.
Queen to b3 is good. This defends a pawn on b4. Queen to d2 is best. This defends a pawn on b4.
Knight to c7 is best.
Queen to c2 is good. This defends a bishop on e2. Queen to d1 is best. This defends a rook and bishop on a1 and e2.
Knight to a6 is good. This offers a trade. This attacks the pawn. Pawn to h6 is best.
Rook to c1 is inaccuracy. This move leaves pawn hanging on b4. This permits the opponent to attack a piece. The opponent can win a tempo. The opponent can play nxb4. Queen to d2 is best. This defends a pawn on b4.
Knight to b8 is inaccuracy. An opportunity to take a pawn was lost. A chance to attack a queen with nxb4 was missed. The opponent can play qd3. Knight captures on b4 is best. This attacks the queen. This move gains a tempo. This captures a free pawn.
Queen to a2 is excellent. Queen to d3 is best.
Knight to a6 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the pawn. This develops a knight. This move gains a tempo. The game is over. White wins.